Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share how you are feeling and share your activity in your Facebook post. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on this home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and then click on the What's on Your Mind section at the top. After that, you should tap on this feeling and activity button, which is the third option. And after that, you should select from these feeling options. You can also use the search bar to narrow down your search. Type in, select the feeling, and you can also add your or search for from these activities as well, such as celebrating, watching something, eating something. So tap on the relevant one, and you can also select services and places. For example, if you have selected eating, you can search for a restaurant. Type in its name, select it, and click on the post button. You can add an additional text to it. Click on post and then it will be posted. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.